So I come, it's raining so fast and lightning, thunderstorm. Oh my God! Oh my God, it's bad. And I can't even see this. My children are with me, and I can't even see. It's just too bad. It was raining so fast, still raining so fast. And it gets floody. When it rains this hard, it gets floody. Once it gets floody, the car goes kind of like you're hitting a wall or something. Oh, emergencies all over. There's an emergency. Cop is going to rescue somebody. I can't see it.
I'm explaining it to you. Okay, so they go beep beep as an example. And then
oh my God.
You got the iPhone. I got the iPhone. Take your iPhone.
See? Car hitting the water. Just too much. I'm driving so slow. Oh my God. See the water puddles? This water floods.
Girl, be quiet. It's gonna get this deep. We're like, I wonder if anyone's ever done that in like a big
oh my God, it's just too bad.
We would.
And she lost her iPhone. Khadija lost her iPhone. And we went back to Walmart in this rain. I'm all wet. My shirt is all wet. And she couldn't find it, so we left our number and see if somebody turns in. I don't know if somebody's going to turn it in or not. Look at the water. My car hitting the water over there. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm glad I got the new battery put in today. Yeah. Oh my God, it's raining so hard here. Look at the water puddle. Oh my. Look at the water. See how water. Oh my God. See how water.
Stop exaggerating.
Oh, I am driving and I'm driving so slow.
They probably can't even hear you. The video quality is horrible.
Video quality is horrible. And I feel horrible right now. Oh my God, look at this. Hold on, I just want to show this water. Okay, zoom out a little bit. There's emergency all over. I think they're blocking the streets. Look at the water. See how it's jumping out of the car. Car hitting the water. The water just... There's emergencies all over.
So they're all coming. All
There's
over.
emergency.
So everybody's going in their little chest. And they're like, cool down. Cool down.
Oh my God, it's just too much.
And then I'll tell the air drivers these little airplanes out in front of me. Go down, oh, it's ugly like this.
See, this water.
And it'll be like, go down.
I gotta pick up flat.
Running, they take their bag and say, girl, shut up.
Oh my God, look at my car is splashing water. It's just flooded. You see that? That's water coming out underneath my car. It's flooded. It's flooded. It's hard to drive, but we have to get home. Just too bad. Look at the water. Look at the water. Look at the water. Oh, it's bad. Why did I have to come? It was good day and bad day, mixed feeling. And we had some good time, and now it's kind of my daughter lost her phone, poor girl. And it was iPhone, expensive phone really. And she is feeling bad. And I'm driving so slow. I can't even. My wipers are full, high speed, moving high speed, full throttle. But still, it's just too bad. I have a defogger 100%. Otherwise, I won't be able to see it. Oh, we're by the water. We're going to pick up the apartment. Oh my God, look at this. Look at the water. Oh, she might be outside. Hopefully she tracks her phone. Because they both have iPhone. They both bought the iPhone at the same time. Oh my gosh. I'm going back there. Yeah, I gotta go back there. Oh my God, my shirt is wet. Okay.
Look at Jaden. Do you want us to go get her?
Yeah, let's get. I'm gonna park it over here. I don't care. It's just better than it's too bad.
But it's like, let's go. We don't need a bill.
Okay, guys.
We need an
Take the umbrella.
Oh, Vinny. Are you coming or no?
No, you guys go. Take the umbrella with you.
Open the door. Fast. Wait for me. Stop.
It's emergencies all over, man. You hear the siren? It's over there somewhere. We're going that way now. It's just too many people might have some accident or something. Because the weather is so bad. Oh my God. Now he's going this way. Fire or accident. Too bad. Alright guys, see you later. Bye, love you. It's just rain.